Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making safety absolute. Turn the fixture off at the breaker and verify no voltage with a tester. Once done, wait 5 to 10 minutes so internal capacitors bleed down. Put on gloves, goggles, and a mask because glass fragments and dust are hazardous. Make sure to work over a tray, then carefully unscrew the bulb base and detach the diffuser. You should photograph wiring and component placement immediately so reassembly follows the same layout without guesswork. You now open up the electronics to find the small driver board, fuse, starter, and the electrolytic capacitor that commonly fails. Once located, use a multimeter to check continuity on traces, measure diode drops, and test capacitor ESR. These readings tell you why the lamp won't start. If a PCB fuse or burned copper trace is the issue, remove it with a temperature-controlled soldering iron and install matching value parts. Make sure to use correct polarity parts and secure connections to prevent future failures. You complete the repair by installing replacement components that match original specifications, paying attention to voltage, capacitance, and polarity. Once reassembled, reseal the diffuser with a small bead of silicone and let cure. Then test the bulb in a controlled setup. Use an isolation transformer or an RCD-protected circuit to avoid mains hazards while verifying steady light output. If flicker or power loss persists, make sure to recheck solder joints and connectors. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.